Hey, what's up YouTube? We had Momentum BMW in Houston and about to pick up my new car, and so yeah, pretty stoked. I'll show y'all in a bit. Guys, what's up? So it's time for the new car reveal, so let's go check it out. Ain't she a beaut? BMW, obviously. Z4 4-cylinder twin turbo engine. Beautiful. And don't worry, I still got my Jeep. Never be without the Jeep. Boy, this thing is fun. Oh, something I think is really cool too. People pay for their spinners. Check this out. Yeah. Alright, so I'll get in, I'll show y'all the inside, and then we'll put the top down. I'll do another walk around. Okay, so a couple other things that I meant to mention, which if y'all know anything about cars, y'all probably already know this, but I didn't know this because it's like a transformer to me. But the mirrors, when you lock it, they fold in, so like obviously nobody takes your mirror off, but if you're walking away from your vehicle and you're wondering, hey, did I lock the car, you know, you can look. If the mirrors are folded in, you know, you're all good. Also, another thing, you have your key in your pocket, you just put your hand in there and it unlocks it. And then see if we can focus in. You got those 3 little lines right there. Put your finger on it and it locks it all up and the mirrors go in. So I just thought that was a pretty cool feature too. Okay, so this is the inside. I love this feature right here because when you get out on the road you can see all the roads and everything, and it gives you what road you're on. It gives you the speed limit on the road, which is also cool because when you come down here and do your you know what I'm talking about, you can set it to the limit. Your cruise control, you can set it to the limit, so it'll take care of all that for you. Of course you can toggle through all that stuff there. Your backup camera, all your radio. I got the XM in it, which is great because I thought I'd have to transfer it over from my Jeep. This little joystick thing is so cool. It moves up, down, side, and then it works as a button, and it spins as a dial, controls your radio, a whole bunch of different stuff up on the dash. Yeah, it's pretty nice. And top down. Complete. Alright. Get back out. And that's how it looks with the top down. Just beautiful. Love it. And it's got your 3 different driving things, settings, where you got your eco-friendly, which you're not gonna go as fast as you want. You're not gonna be able to speed up as fast as you want. You got the comfort, which is what I have it on now. Basically just like driving a regular car. But then also you can take the traction part, traction control off of it and put it in sport mode and take it to the track and just tear it up and have fun. But I'm gonna give it a little while before we do that. But yeah, so this is gonna be my new ride for the next year. I appreciate you, Golden Nugget, for giving me this free year lease. Y'all rock. And all you guys out there, y'all rock. I appreciate y'all watching so much. Y'all don't even know. Until next time, peace out. See you later, guys.